Ever wondered how to get that deep, savory garlic onion flavor without actually using garlic or onion? Meet Hing, also known as Asafoetida, the ultimate secret spice that's taking Western kitchens by storm. You don't just have to use it in traditional Indian dishes. In American cooking, a tiny pinch of Hing completely transforms roasted potatoes, creamy soups, and hearty stews. It mimics the rich umami flavor, giving your everyday meals a gourmet twist. But Hing isn't just about the taste. Its health benefits are incredible. If you struggle with bloating or gas after meals, Hing is your best friend. It acts as a powerful digestive aid, helping your stomach process heavy foods easily. Plus, it has natural anti-inflammatory properties that boost your gut health. A little goes a long way. Just a pinch in hot oil or butter is all you need. Have you ever tried Hing in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description link to grab premium quality Hing on Amazon. See you next time.